detrimental to the protection of our IP. That being said, let's dive in. Here's the test bot for you all to see. We've been working hard on this. I know there will be a lot of questions, but let's dive in. It's very special for me to be able to show you that. So I have to share my screen. Again, I need my glasses. And off we go. I hope you can all see that. So here it is. We do have a dashboard. I mean, everybody has seen a dashboard in their lifetime. And this is our test account. So at the moment, what we can show you, just careful, if you turn your sound on, we get a loop and it makes the sound really bad. So here you can see our first pair, BTC USDT on BitMEX. And you can see if you look, so I have to move that because you are in the way, guys. Sorry, I don't mind seeing your photos, but I need to be able to navigate. You can see that basically this test bot has been running since the 10th of November. And at the top, you have value in USD or BTC. All right, you can switch between the two. That gives you an indication of the progress. And on the second half of the pane, you can see the progress in percentage. So don't jump out of your seat because you will say, what? 9 days? Nearly 30%. Okay, we know the situation at the moment with BTC, not very hard to do. You could say, well, anybody with two level of IQ could have done that. Yes, but remember, this is just a simple strategy. We want to show you what we do, but this is not the final product. Okay, so you can see that if we navigate to the other pair that we have played with in the same amount of time, that the result is of course positive as well, but nowhere near the same percentage. All right, so you have to try to see the bigger picture here. We show you one bot and we show you one market. That is just to basically demonstrate our capabilities. Okay. Now, at the moment, I can't see questions. Okay, so bear with me. Keep your questions. I will answer them after I will stop sharing the screen. Now, we have a bot section that is obviously what I guess excites a lot of people that came today. I can see that the number of participants is reasonably high. So we have put in there only 2 bots. What you need to understand is I could, or we could add another 198 bots, right? So within that particular admin panel, you can have up to 200 bots running concurrently, all right? And of course, you can see how these bots have been set up, right? Everybody knows this trading view, but I want to show you the flexibility of the system, right? So you can see in the main how you decide basically to decide what is the maximum purchase price and so on, right? The sales margin. As I said, usually we don't trade on 5x5, but that was just to demonstrate the case because we wanted to show you in a short period of time. We can, of course, decide to go by indicator, but that's not really what is interesting here. What is interesting is how you can basically have a grid setting of your choice. And because we've been playing with this for a number of years, we have already a big number of templates that we can use. All right. But if these templates are not to your liking, you can still add your own if you would like to. Right. So that's that's very flexible. I mean, I don't think I need to say much more than this, right? And I just want to show you the flexibility of what the devs have put together to play, with these orders, right? And try to keep in mind that this is for crypto, but we have the same for Forex and of course for the stock market. So you have the ability to use stop losses, use percentage, decide to use the trading. I will be fully honest with you. My core of competence is within data, not within trading. So I can show you from a CEO perspective what this is all about. But if you have questions really in depth about the ability of trading, you will have to get back to our specialist, all right, within Prem. And of course, you have the ability to have an expert view, right, to change whatever strategy you would like to do, and even the ability to do your own coding thing, all right? So that's what what basically this bot is capable of doing, right? And I shouldn't say bot because it's bots as a matter of fact. Now, as necessary, because you need to have in-depth decision-making process, we have, of course, all the trading history available, right, for people to see. Remember what we said? We are in semi-automated mode. So when we do our trading and it happens, there is always a moment when we stop and we analyze, what happened. Right? And of course, when the ecosystem will be fully launched, we will be able to do that in full automated mode. All right. And then I just keep going to show you that we have as well the connection to the exchanges. So at the moment in the test, we showed you BitMEX and Binance Future, but nothing stops you to add accounts to your liking, right? It's the flexibility of this bot. Now, I don't think I can tell you much more than that. I know you will say, but this is not enough. Where is the artificial intelligence? Where is this and where is that? I think it's already pretty brave from our technical team to decide to bring that to your eyes. I know how it works. Some people are taking screenshots, are trying to find, if that's something they could replicate for their own, what they want to do by themselves. And it's absolutely fine. But you understand as well why we don't want to show you much more than that at the moment. All right. I hope that makes sense. The intent of today is to show you that we are real, that we have a real product. Okay, so that's what it is. So, to be able to see your questions, I have to stop sharing the screen and just have a quick look at what has been said. I'm sorry. Yes, thank you. Turn off the phone, the microphone. Hello all. Yes, thank you to say it looks cool. Just to let you know, it looks cool, but when you will see your dashboard and your own office, when the public token sale will take off, you will be blown away. That's for sure. All right. Yes, my accent. Sorry, there is nothing I can do about that. Yes, it's definitely a major move for us. All right. When will this be available for us? Not now. We are offering investment possibilities. We are not offering bots. That's not what we do. We're not like Scavengers or Crypto Hopper. This is not what we do. We don't give you a tool for you to play with. We do the playing. All right. And actually, it's not us. It's it's basically the artificial intelligence. This is what you need to understand. Okay. So, do you expect RTC at $100,000? Can I ask a question? When Lambo? Well, when Lambo, it's your call, right? Go to the shop, get one, right? Okay, so of course, always the same question. Interesting software, but when does the token sale start? I want to get my reference bonus. Everybody understands that. Now, let me keep going, all right? Because I think is the bot already trading? So it's a yes and it's a no, right? We will have access to the result of the bot. Of course, you will. Remember that, all right, let me try to be really clear with this. You have the opportunity by being on board early, having jumped on, the private sale and now the pre-sale, to decide your investment plans. And this basically start to work from the moment of when the public sale starts. Okay. I hope that that's clear in your mind, because this is what happens, and it allows you to grow whatever plan you have chosen. Let's say you have decided to start slow because you were not too sure about all this. You will be able to grow your plan, right, through the period of the token sale. And when this is done, you will have the privilege to use the full system when the ecosystem is launched. Okay. What about the second round? It's coming. It's coming, guys. All right. We are in the middle of it, right? We are really in the middle of it. And how much money did you already collect? Again, we work with the funds. We make that work. I hope that you realize how we are a heavy machinery, so to speak, right? 50 people, that's not a small operation. So we spend a huge amount of money, and yes, we are making money, but the whole point of this is that you make money with us along the way, all right? So let me finish the talk, and if you have more questions, we'll address them as well, all right? So now, from this first experience, okay, I understand, guys, that there will be a flooding of questions, or maybe not, but please remember, this was not the finished product. Just a quick glance at our core capabilities in terms of bots. We did not scratch the surface of the artificial intelligence, nor did we show you the full potential of cross-niche trading. This might come in due course, depending on, let's call it that way, our creativity to find ways to show you more without putting our IP at risk. Now, let's revisit where we are at and where we are going. All right, because that I guess that's what everybody wants to know. We are in the middle of our pre-sale round. When this phase ends and the public token sale starts, that's only when you will be able to get access to your office dashboard of your account, all right? What I describe as the Lamborghini thingy, because it looks so cool. We are building an ecosystem that will be finalized when the public token sale ends. I really hope you fully understand that this ecosystem includes you and your support. Being an active member of Prem gives you the opportunity to move from a lower plan to a higher plan, while giving you the time to strengthen your own partner program, right? This is really a strong statement. You know that you have three options when the public token sales end and the ecosystem is fully launched. You can stay with us and keep your investment growing. Of course, you can withdraw and walk away, or you can use your PRM tokens for speculation on the exchanges where it will be listed then, right? So that's basically no lock, all right? Keep asking the difficult questions. It actually helps us improve the robustness of our solution. Do your due diligence and check us thoroughly, all right? This, of course, includes reading and watching what is available about the project. Your feedback is very important to us. We want to become a reference in the investment field. I personally understand we might get overlooked at the present time with the crypto market experiences a significant market cap increase. But keep in mind that we are here to stay with steady and safe returns. Thank you very much.